The Cisco Webex Room Series is a powerful video collaboration platform that brings advanced meeting experiences to every room. The Cisco Webex Room 55 comes fully equipped with everything you need for small rooms: a 4K screen, an embedded 5K camera, incredible sound with a woofer, all encased in a beautiful design. The Room 55 Dual offers dual 55-inch screens and a quad camera bar for an impressive people and content experience in medium rooms. The Cisco Webex Room 70 G2 is also an elegant integrated system with single and dual 70-inch 4K screen options. Both come with a quad camera bar to accommodate large and specialized rooms. The Room 70 G2 delivers rich, stereo quality sound optimized for voice. Based on the same technology platform, the Cisco Webex Room Kit, Room Kit Mini, Room Kit Plus, and Room Kit Pro will deliver the same great experience on your own 4K display. With a 120-degree field of view, the Room Kit Mini is custom designed for collaboration in huddle spaces. Now the same great Cisco technology is available in the smallest of spaces. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the Room Kit Pro is powerful enough for the largest boardrooms and can be integrated with the multiple screens and cameras that those spaces may require. The amazing Room Series experience begins when you first walk into your meeting room. With Auto Wake Up, your presence is recognized. You're greeted, offered guidance, and the meeting starts with a touch on your phone or the Touch 10 panel. Featured in all the Room Series products are intelligent views capabilities, like Best Overview. Best Overview automatically detects the people in the room and frames them optimally for the far-end audience. And when someone starts talking, speaker tracking quickly finds the active speaker and selects the ideal framing. When it's time to present, you can do it wirelessly. And Wi-Fi support on the Room Series means you can eliminate yet another wire. These products have artificial intelligence built in. Today, the AI capabilities include voice control and counting participants for usage metrics. Tomorrow, the future capabilities could be face recognition and others in development. The Room Series products can register on-premises or to Cisco Webex in the cloud, which gives you great flexibility. And unique cloud-based features let your information flow seamlessly before, during, and after your meeting. The Room Series can accommodate all of your rooms and spaces. The Room Kit Mini is ideal for huddle spaces for up to 5 people. The Room 55 and the Room Kit are meant for smaller rooms that seat up to 7 people. The Room 55 Dual, Room 70 G2, and Room Kit Plus are for larger rooms for 12 to 14. The Room Kit Pro lets you customize video experiences for very large boardrooms, auditoriums, and specialized spaces. Regardless of where you put them, the Cisco Webex Room 70 G2, Room 55, Room 55 Dual, and the Room Kits bring advanced meeting experiences to every room.